Hello students, in the last video you must have seen we have talked about the exercise 10.2, 10.1 and 10.3. Now in this video we are going to see another 3 exercises of the NCERT haloalkanes and haloarine. Okay, so let us talk about the first exercise 10.4. What is the question? Which of the following has higher dipole moment? Now we know that what is the dipole moment. Dipole moment depend upon the polarization of the bond. Okay, so there the 3 examples are given: CH2Cl2, CHCl3 and CCl4. That is dichloromethylene, then chloroform and carbon tetrachloride. See, I have written the structures here. Here now you can see this is the CH2Cl. Then here first of all we will talk about carbon tetrachloride. Children, you can see here the dipole moment, all the chlorine are more electronegative, so polarity will go on a 4 different direction, and that's why dipole moment will be 0. So its dipole moment will be 0. Now let us talk about the chloroform and this. Now here dichloromethylene, it is having the dipole moment 1.6 dB, and this is having the dipole moment its dipole moment is 1.03 dB. Now here you can see the dimethylmethylene is having, the dichloromethylene is having the more dipole moment than the chloroform, because here you can see that in a chloroform the dipole moment of these 2 chlorine is cancelled by the 1/3 chlorine, whereas here the dipole moment of 2 hydrogen is gained by the 2 chlorine atoms. That's why the dipole moment of this one, that is the dichloromethane, is having the more than the chloroform and the carbon tetrachloride. So in this the answer of this question is which dipole moment? Dipole moment of dichloromethane is highest. Okay, now come to the second question. What is the second question? Second question is this one. A hydrocarbon C5H10 does not react with chlorine in dark but gives a single monochloro compound C6H9Cl in a bright sunlight. See children, because here bright sunlight and reaction with chlorine is given, the meaning is that it must be alkane. Okay, because it is giving the chlorination in the presence of sunlight. But secondly, if you see the formula C5H10, it doesn't fit in the formula CnH2n plus 2, जो कि अल्केन का फॉर्मूला होता है. ठीक है, अगर हम लोग इसको ये फॉर्मूले बिठाने की कोशिश करते हैं CnH2n plus 2, so the formula will not be C5H10. But at the same time it is having all single bond because it is undergoing the process of chlorination. Okay, and that's why it is a alkane, but it is not a chain alkane. It must be cyclo compound. Okay, so the compound will be cyclo, and because the carbon are 5, it must be the cyclopentane. Okay, so from this we can identify the compound. That compound is cyclopentane. It will undergo the process of chlorination in the presence of sunlight, and what it will give? It will give the monochloro substitute. So it will give 1-chlorocyclopentane. So it will be a cyclopentane. So from the 2 clues, one clue is it gives the chlorination. Second is it has given the formula C5H10. From that we come to the conclusion that it is alkane, but because the formula is C5H10, it is a cyclopentane. And what will be the product? Product will be 1-chlorocyclopentane. This will be the product. Okay, now come to the third question of the exercise. In the third question it is given, write the isomer of the compound having molecular formula C4H9Br. Naturally, one will be the chain compound and other will be the branch. So let us write with the first isomer. First isomer will be simple. What will be that? It will be CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2Br. This will be the first molecule having the chain structure. What will be its name? It will be very simple. It will be 1-bromobutane. Simple nomenclature it is. Second will be, let us make the chain of 4 and change the position of Br. ठीक है. So again the second will be, we are changing the branch only, Br we are changing. So let us keep this bromine on the second carbon, and remaining 2 will be CH2 CH3. Okay, because bromine is here, what will be its name? Its name will be now 2 bromo, again it will be butane. So these are the two. Let us go for the third one. Third structure, now we will make the chain of 3. Okay, and one carbon we will put it in a chain. So it will be CH3, then we are keeping the chain of 3, so it will be CH, then CH2, Br, and here we will put the methyl group. So chain we have made straight chain of the 3. So what it will be? It will be now 1 bromo, IUPAC name we are giving, 1 bromo, 2 methyl propane. This will be the third compound. And now the last compound, we will again reduce the chain and we will change the position. We will keep the chain of 3 only. We will change the position of bromine. So what it will be? It will be again CH3. Then what we are going to do? We are going to make this Br here on a second carbon. Then again we are going to keep all the 3. So chain is of 3, and bromine we have changed the here place of the bromine also. So what it will be? It will be the compound will be, now we are naming this compound. What will be the name of this compound? If we take the, so if we take this chain, what will be the name of this compound? The name of this compound will be, let us write, it will be 2 bromo, 2 methyl, 3 carbon in the main chain, so it will be propane. This will be the third isomer. So children, with the molecular formula C4H9Br, these 3 isomers will be possible. In our next video, we will go with the next exercise.